In this video, I'll show you how to connect Supabase to Lovable step by step. First, go to the Supabase website and log in to your account. After logging in, open the project you want to connect to Lovable. With the project open, make sure everything is ready, such as your database, tables, or storage if you have already created them. Now open the Lovable website and log in to your account. After that, create a new project inside Lovable. With the project created, look for the integration option with Supabase. Select the option to connect to Supabase. Lovable will ask for permission to access your project. Choose the Supabase project you want to use. Now confirm the required permissions to allow access to your data. After confirming, Lovable will automatically connect to Supabase. Once connected, Lovable will be able to access features such as database, tables, storage, and authentication. This allows you to use Supabase as the backend of your project.